Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to start a new chapter, measurement. This is a very interesting unit. And in this chapter we are going to learn to use a ruler to measure the length of the given objects, estimate length of objects, convert the units of length, weight and capacity, add the given length, weight and capacity, subtract the given length, weight and capacity, solve story sums based on length, weight and capacity. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about non-standard and standard units of measurements. You have already studied the basics of measurement in your previous class. Now we are going to refresh that. First, we are going to discuss about non-standard units. So in olden days, people used body parts to measure the length of the objects. Cubit, foot span, hand span are the examples of non-standard units for the measurement of length. But the length of the cubit, foot span and hand span may vary from person to person. That is why these units are called as non-standard units. Likewise, to measure the weight of an object, they compare the weight of that object with the weight of the other object. These three are the examples. Here pumpkin is heavier than a tomato and brinjal is equal to 4 chickus and mango is lighter than a watermelon. But this type of measurement does not give the exact weight of the object. It just gives the result that the given object is lighter or heavier than the other object. And these two are the examples of measuring the capacity of a jug. So here the capacity of the jug is equal to capacity of 6 bowls, and here the capacity of jug is equal to 4 glasses of water, and these measurements do not give the exact capacity of the jug. So these non-standard units do not give the exact value. To overcome this disadvantage, metric system of measurement was introduced. Metric system or standard units. Standard units give the exact value and standard units never vary from person to person. And in this chapter we are going to learn the standard units for length, weight and capacity. The first one is length. Length helps us to know how long is the object. Centimeter in short form cm, meter m and kilometer km are the standard units of length. The length of smaller objects is measured in centimeter. The length or height of the larger objects is measured in meter. The distance between the two cities is measured in kilometer. Unit examples. To measure the length of a pencil or a paintbrush, we have to use centimeter. And to measure length of a classroom, height of a building, we have to use meter. And to measure the distance between Mumbai and Pune, we have to use kilometer. The ruler, meter rod and measuring tape are the devices or instruments which are used to measure length. And next topic is measuring length using a ruler. A ruler is used to measure length of smaller objects, and in ruler 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. 1 unit means 0 to 1. This is called as 1 unit, and 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, so 0 to 1 is called as 1 centimeter and 1 to 2 is 1 centimeter. 2 to 3 is 1 centimeter. 3 to 4 is 1 centimeter. So this ruler has 15 centimeters. So to measure a length of a pencil using a ruler, you have to place the 0 mark of the ruler against one end of the pencil and read the number at the other end of the pencil. So the number is 8 here, and this number gives the length of the pencil. So the length of the pencil is 8 centimeter. In the second example, we are going to measure the length of a crayon using the ruler. So first we have to place the 0 mark of the ruler against one end of the crayon. Then we have to note down the value at the other end of the crayon. So that value is 5 here. So 5 centimeter is the length of the crayon. Estimation of length. How long is the given straw? So we have to find out the length of the straw approximately without the ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the estimated length is 6 centimeter. So to find out the actual length, we have to use the ruler. If we measure using the ruler, the actual length is 5.5 centimeter. The estimated length is differ from the actual length. That's why we have to use standard units for the measurements. Exercise 7.1. Which unit of measurement would you use to measure the length of the following things? So you try to solve this by your own. A. The length of a rupees 5 note centimeter. C. Distance between India and Sri Lanka kilometer. D. Length of the school playground meter. E. Length of a storybook centimeter. 2. Estimate the length of the following objects in centimeter. Measure the length of the objects using a ruler to find the actual length. A. Estimated length equal to about dash centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.7. So this is my estimated value. Okay. But the actual length is 4 centimeter. Estimated value may vary from person to person. B. Estimated length equal to dash centimeter. 1, 2, 2.4. So 2.4 centimeter is estimated length. But the actual length is 2 centimeter. If we use the ruler. See estimated length of the sharpener. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. 3.5 centimeter. But the actual length of the sharpener is 3 centimeter. So the estimated length may vary from the actual length. And it may vary from person to person. So my dear students, in this class we have discussed the non-standard and standard units for length. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.